सत्यं ब्रूयात् प्रियं ब्रूयात् न ब्रूयात् सत्यमप्रियं प्रियं च नानृतं ब्रूयात् एष धर्मः सनातनः. This is a quintessential code of conduct recommended in Manusmriti. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat. Speak the truth. Speak sweetly and pleasantly. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Never speak the truth that is unpleasant to others. Priyam cha nanritam bruyat. Also, do not speak sweetly the untruth. Yesha dharma sanatanaha. This is eternal wisdom. Some people may wrongly interpret the third instruction. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Do not speak the truth that is unpleasant to others as a sanction to tell sweet lies. The instruction here is not a sanction to tell sweet lies. The fourth instruction, Priyam cha nanritam bruyat, clarifies that and categorically says that untruth, even if pleasant and agreeable, is not to be spoken. This important injunction from Manusmriti highlights the importance of truth and truthfulness. While Satyam is a multi-dimensional word with several profound meanings, in this context it stands for truth. But if we examine the injunction, more than Satyam, there is one other word used extensively. The word bruyat. The word speak, bruyat. Therefore, the shloka not only highlights the importance of truthfulness, but also the importance of speaking, the right way of speaking. To speak truth is an eternal value irrespective of time and place. But the expression of truth should be accompanied by two conditions. Firstly, it should be presented in a loving manner. And secondly, it should be spoken for the betterment of others. How you speak is as important as what is said. Priyam means speaking without hurting others. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Even if truth can be harsh, convey it sweetly, convey it gently. Truth expressed harshly does not actually help the recipient. Now, do we know of anyone who showed us how to lead our lives based on this injunction of Manusmriti? When we say truthfulness, it has to be none other than Bhagavan Sri Rama, who is Satyavakyaha. Also, Valmiki says, Buddhiman madurabhashi purvabhashi priyam vadaha viryavanya cha viryena mahatas svena vismitaha. Rama is not only a Satyavakyaha, he is also a great speaker. He is madurabhashi, he is mitabhashi, he is purvabhashi. Rama is madurabhashi, one who speaks very sweetly. Sweetness is not necessarily in the voice, rather it is in the tone and content. A madurabhashi speaks truth and inspires others with the power of his words. Rama is a mitabhashi. He speaks only when required, uses right and adequate words. He can express truth, sometimes even without speaking. The key is to make the other person, the listener, comfortable all the time. Rama is a purvabhashi. He always made the other person feel wanted, feel special. He spoke first to make others comfortable and engaged in any conversation. Therefore, like Rama, one must be Satyavakyaha, speaker of truth, but also Purvabhashi, Mitabhashi and Madurabhashi, a great speaker who speaks truth only for the sake of the benefit of others. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.